Hello, good morning. My name is Opik Jindani and I am at here at the Zenith. I will talk with my student related to some topic of psychology. First of all, tell me your name.
My name is Nirupam Sharma.
Okay, and what are you doing nowadays?
I have been preparing for my NEET exam and learning Zenith English swing classes.
Okay, what is psychology and its basic principles?
Psychology is the study of human behavior and mind patterns that human create to survive and in this world, and that we learn from our ancestors, that how they survived, the traditional information transferred in our genes through inheritance. So, and psychology has its own different definitions of from different peoples. Some say it's the study of mind, some say it's the study of human behavior, but if you combine all the definitions, then you will find that the moral of the story is that psychology is the study of your brain.
Okay, how to get achievement in any environment?
The environments could be one the favorable, another would be unfavorable. The favorable environment would be an help and equally an destructive support for you.
Okay, how to become successful by using psychology in your life?
We can study many books like The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F, and The 48 Laws of Power, my favorite book. And the novel you can read for that is The Invisible Man.
Okay, after success, how to control your pride? If it is born by the people or it is born by you?
You should just stop telling your achievements and just keep it to yourself, and don't flaunt, don't flatter anyone by your qualities or to impress them or don't try to manipulate them, and never outshine your masters. The first law of the book by Robert Greene, 48 Laws of Power.
Okay, in which sector that we can use psychology?
Psychology is used in every sector.
Like
every sector existing is born by psychology, running by psychology, and will be continually run by psychology.
Okay, like a mind reading is also like a psychology?
Yes, it is. It is a part of psychology, and we can just master it by practicing it in different people. Everything you can master, you just need practice or dedication.
Okay, then how can you define psychology in your life?
From my life, it's the way of leading a successful, healthy life and achieving the multiple things at the same time, but preparing for the single thing at a time. We can achieve multiple things at a time, but we have to first pick a thing we want to achieve, we want our desires, then we have to work on it for a certain period of time or the time it requires to be perfect in that field. Then after that, if you are failed, just try it again. If you want to excel in every field, just try it again, and you have to just give it the time and focus.
Okay, you told me about that psychology helpful in any sector.
Yes, sir.
And by psychology that we can get success in every field. But sometimes psychology has a side effect also.
Yes, sir.
So what are the side effects that you know about it?
Sir, the ocean of psychology is full of the crocodiles which are trying to eat you and just kill you, because it is very deep subject. If you go too much deep into it, like you heard about scientists like Albert Einstein, Tesla, their mind are just fried up by their studies, because as we go deeper in any field existing, we just got mad. We will become mad, and people will think that you are mad. So at the initial stage of success, if someone is thinking that you are going mad, then it is a good sign that you are doing something which is different from others and unique from others, and you have power to change the world.
Okay, it was nice to talk with you, Mr. Nirupam.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice to see you.
Thank you.